what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to lock apps on the Poco C71. Now to do that, just open the Play Store. Now from here, just search applock. Now from here, just install this app. Now it will take a few seconds to download the app. And once the app is fully downloaded, tap on open. Now from here, if you tap on 6-digit PIN, you can choose between the type of password you want to set. You can choose between 4-digit PIN, a 6-digit PIN, or a pattern. I will select the pattern. Just tap on OK. Now from here, just create your pattern. Now once you have created your pattern, just tap on create. Now from here, just draw your pattern one more time to confirm your pattern. Now once you have confirmed your pattern, just tap on save. Now from here, just give this app these permissions. Just tap on permit. Now just tap on OK, tap on applock Pro, and enable this option. Now from here, tap on permit and enable this option. Now from here, just select I am aware of the possible risks. Now from here, just wait a few seconds, then tap on OK. Now just tap on permit. Now from here, scroll down and enable the applock Pro. Now just go back. Now tap on OK and tap on permit. Now from here, make sure you select no restrictions. Now from here, to lock the apps, just tap on the lock icon next to the app's name. Just like that. And if you tap on locked, you can see all the apps which you have enabled the app lock on. Now from here, if you go to your home screen and open any app which you have enabled the app lock on, it will ask you to enter your password. Just like that. And this is how you can lock apps on the Poco C71. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.